Where's that go?
In the motor.
Dumbass. Where's your funnel?
That's what I need. I'm gonna need a funnel. I got lucky on the.
How come the bike's not straight?
It's,
That means it's not straight up and down.
I think you're a bubble off. The bike's straight.
I am a bubble off.
You're a bubble off.
This is the second day I've seen 5 o'clock.
Seen 5 o'clock on the same day.
Yeah, I had that backwards. This is the second time today I've seen
Second
5.
time today.
Yeah, that's it. What are you
got-
doing?
Where's your
Trying to fucking
funnel?
there you go.
No. What are you doing?
Scooby.
I did it right.
You filming this crap? Goes like that.
Oh.
Light goes on.
No, there's no fucking. Oh my god.
Quit swearing on my damn shitty camera.
Okay.
Okay, how much you gonna put in there?
I don't know. You tell me. That's what I asked you.
Where's your instruction sheet?
I'm looking at him.
Yeah.
We're in trouble.
No,
Where's
I
your
better
funnel?
use a funnel on this one.
Where's your funnel?
I asked for a funnel earlier,
Yeah, we
and
did.
you just ignored me.
I was still sleeping. They're in back where we're supposed to be working. I have to go in the back and get the funnel. Someone took all the funnels and put them back. Oh, here's the funnel right here.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm drip dry. What do you want, plastic or you want dirty one? They're both dirty. Which one do you want?
Don't matter. I'll spray it and clean it out. There's a...
Well, you're not going to be happy with the steel and it might damage your chrome. It's plastic.
Ooh.
You said you're going to clean it. Now you're not going to clean it?
Yeah, I was gonna clean it.
Jeez.
Where's my...
Now, how much oil are you supposed to have in there?
I don't know.
How much oil do you think goes in there?
A quart.
See.
When it comes out the top, you're done?
No, I don't know. I'm gonna guess here. I'm gonna go on the limb.
What's this
It's
for?
about a quart.
That's probably a inspection.
Oh, yeah, that's inspection.
When the oil gets to that level, it's full.
How the hell are you supposed to do that?
The only problem is the bike's leaning this way right now, and the oil has to go from here through 3 cavities to get over to there. So you have to keep filling it up over and over and over. Eventually it levels out. When it comes out the top, you got too much in it.
Alright. So is
the
it probably
starting-
safe to say to start with?
The starting point is 24 ounces. How much is that's the stock 5-speed mount. So how much oil is in your container?
32 ounces, right?
So how much is 24 out of 32? So that means when it gets down to about the white label, you better start looking to see what's going in.
So you need 8 ounces left.
Now you're gonna have to wait for it to settle, so you can't just pour it all in right now.
So in other words, yeah, don't fuck this up.
Heaven forbid.
Ooh, that's thick.
Which one? What did you put in there? Oh, you got the wrong oil. That's thinner than the damn motor oil you just poured in there.
This, I love the smell of gear oil.
Oh, jeez.
Mmm.
Get you some rear end oil. Really make you feel good.
Yeah. Some 80, 90.
High poi gear oil. Yeah. Stinky crap.
This stuff stinks too. Alright, that's probably down there by that white label. You want to
Okay.
give, there's no window or sight glass on this.
Well, what do you want? Everything?
So it's probably right about
So what's the oil level in the tranny right now?
where that Chingus is at.
Chingus?
Uh-huh.
Good. Put that back
Yep.
in the container and it won't drip on the floor.
Well, that went in pretty easy.
We gotta even fuck it up, huh?
No, I think you did. You gotta let it level out.
Yeah, it's right there.
So you let it sit for a minute or so, you come back and pull that plug out and see if it comes out the hole. If it comes out the hole, that means you got too much in it. If it don't come out the hole, you don't have enough in it. Right now it looks like it's halfway up the hole. Remember the bike's leaning this way right now, it's supposed to be straight up and down.
It looks like it's straight up and down to
It's
me.
supposed to be over here. So you have to push on it a couple times like that. Look straight now.
Well, in the meantime, we could probably get one of those exhausts on,
In
huh?
the meantime, I gotta go back and work on a real bike.
Shit. Ah! Shit.
Can't work on these yuppie bikes. Here.
Oh, come on
Yuppie
now.
bikes.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Damn chrome monster. There's been some comments about this thing already.
Work on a millennial bike.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Oh, really? Come on now, Jerry.
No, that'd be
Oh,
that'd be a rusted out bobber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
millennial.